Another type of person I would like to invite to come live with me or visit me is builders. People who want to construct buildings. And they'd be buildings that were designed for full rain capture, solar power, composting toilets, mostly natural materials, but I really do like concrete roofs. And I know that sounds bad to people because concrete is a high energy embodied material. I'm aware of that. But I want teachers, I want people who want to experiment with making traditional buildings of all kinds. We can work with cob, straw bale. We can work with earthbag buildings. We can dig buildings in. We can have them be really amazingly efficient and cool. I kind of like monolithic domes. You can look up monolithicdomes.org maybe. And there's also a place in California that's called Bimmy domes or something, which are quite similar. They blow up a form and then they concrete on it. And, I understand that there's criticisms of using things that aren't totally natural. But I'm okay with it if it pays off. It's an equation, And I want to be very careful building with wood because wood rots and animals and insects eat wood. So there's a bunch of, issues about, exact styles of building that matter. But it could even be a whole channel too. It could be a monetized channel that would be actually fairly popular if we're always building things that are really awesome. We could build hogans. Those were done by some kind of indigenous people. I forget which ones in the U.S. We could build structures that last a long time. We could also build things that don't last a long time, but that's less interesting to me. So if you're interested in being a teacher in that, or you're interested in being a student in that, let me know and we'll figure that out.